Since you are watching this video, I'm assuming you are familiar with the website YouTube. However, did you know that you can actually listen to music on YouTube and get paid every day, every hour, or even every minute? Take a look at this to see how much money you can make. You may make $25 from 5 songs and $100 a day from 20 songs on YouTube. No credit card or investment is necessary to take advantage of this opportunity, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. Make sure to watch the video through to the end, because I'll give you a few insider tips. All of this can be done in about 5 to 10 minutes with your smartphone camera. You can then repeat the entire strategy. Before we continue with this video, make sure you don't miss the chance to earn money online with no additional effort. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video, and don't forget to leave a comment below. As you can see, the first app you should download is the current one because it rewards you for listening to music. Later on, though, I'll show you a few other applications that you can download for free to your phone, and then I'll give you a practical example of how to use each of them, what music you ought to be listening to, plus a bonus suggestion for increasing your income. Please watch the entire video without skipping a single section. You can see that I want to earn rewards while I'm running on the main page. You can do it when you're working, sleeping, or running, because I'll be demonstrating on YouTube how you can actually play all of these songs and earn a lot of money online. In fact, you can do it while the music is still playing in the background and still earn money. Both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store both offer this application. If you have an Android phone, check out this logo to be sure you're installing the right software. It has over 1 million reviews and 4.4 stars overall. Before I give you a real-world example, I'll demonstrate how to play music and how to pick the greatest music that will pay you the most money. It's a great solid application that is 100% legitimate once more, and you can download it from the Google Play Store and the iOS App Store for your iPhone. You can listen to music online or even when you are not connected to the internet with this app. It is entirely free. Additionally, you can earn points by listening to your favorite music, which you can then exchange for real money. As a result, once you have downloaded the app from the Google Play Store, you can immediately begin listening to YouTube music. I'll demonstrate 2 ways you can earn money while performing music. This is the home page for YouTube Music. You can find a lot of music, a lot of playlists, and a lot of artists there. If you scroll down below, you can find a lot of recommended music that you can choose from and can be played on YouTube Music together with the current web page. When these 2 applications are combined, you're able to make 3 times as much money as the other person. Now I'm going to show you a real-life demonstration. I'm giving you an example of one of the playlists on which I've been particularly focused, and I'm able to listen to these. There is actually a lot of music on the queue. Once these songs are done playing, they will immediately move on to the next song, and so on, and they will be able to play all of the songs right here and now, and I will be paid for each and every. Before we continue, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give it a B. If you're able to loop the playlist, the magic happens when you hover your mouse over this icon in the bottom right corner and choose the repeat button. This means that once the playlists have finished playing from the first song all the way down to the last song, it will automatically jump back to the first song and replay it, allowing you to earn money repeatedly. The bonus tip I want to give you is to make sure you have a lot of music queued up. As you can see, I have about 20 songs lined up to produce money faster. Now that it's time to get back to work and earn some money, let's return to the video. The second piece of advice I can give you is to look at the hot lists on the main page. When you click on the hot list, a page with higher quality, more suggested videos and music videos will open for you to watch. I urge you to choose one of these films because it will result in a higher payment from the present app. With the help of this program, you may sing along with your YouTube songs and get paid each time it is played. The first method for earning money while performing music is this. The second method I'm going to demonstrate to you right now is one that you may be more accustomed to. Perhaps you regularly watch YouTube videos as you are doing right now, and you are aware that they can play videos and music videos, such as Pop Hits 2020 Top 40 Popular Songs, which you can listen to for an hour. You can see here that this is the only tab in my Google Chrome browser that is open, so now I'm going to open another tab to listen to more music, and then the third tab to listen to more YouTube music. Right now, I have 3 tabs open in my browser, so again, here is a bonus tip that I'll provide you by opening many tabs. By doing this, you can make money over and over by simply repeating the process of listening to all of these songs. What I'm presenting you right now is, the first tip is to play music on YouTube that is at least an hour long, because the longer the music is, the more money you can make. The second tip is to click on the settings button, which is located on this page. By default, the speed may be normal, but when you double the speed will be twice as fast. You should select 2, which I've listed as the 2 that I think will make the most money. Here's another tip. You can actually lower the quality to 144 by turning off quality. This means that even if your internet connection is sluggish or if there are many people using your internet Wi-Fi, you can still listen to music because you'll be playing it on multiple tabs. However, it's important to keep the quality at 144p so that you can use the internet for other things. The last bonus tip, a new Google Chrome plugin that lets you customize the speed at which YouTube plays videos, is something I won't show you. You can now download this on your Google Chrome browser, which is available for both computers and mobile devices. It's totally free, so when you download it, something magical happens. You can play this on your phone at 3 times the normal speed instead of the 2 times the normal speed that YouTube allows, because you can use the Google Chrome extension to control the speed on your device. Pressing the pause or decrease buttons will increase or reduce the playback speed, respectively. Again, all you have to do is visit the Google Play Store to download these apps, or, if you have an iPhone, visit the App Store to download the current Rewards offline music app. That's it. Now that you have downloaded this extension, you can make a lot of money because you can play music on the YouTube platform and the YouTube Music platform much faster. Check out my other videos if you enjoy this kind of material, and if you do, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment below.